The SSIMDER Stick Lift TIG Welder offers versatile welding capabilities with its two-in-one functionality, supporting both stick and lift TIG welding. This welder is equipped with a smart LCD digital display, making it user-friendly and ideal for beginners to easily adjust settings and monitor welding parameters. Featuring a hot start and arc force anti-stick technology, it ensures reliable arc stability and reduces spatter, which enhances the welding quality. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 5 pounds, and dual voltage compatibility make it highly portable and convenient for various work environments. The integration of comprehensive safety features including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheat protection, alongside advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensures safe and efficient operation. SSIMDER provides a 1-year warranty for this welder, reflecting their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.